How to use the leave at door delivery options on Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the leave at door delivery option on Uber Eats. It's perfect if you want a contactless drop off or just don't want to be disturbed. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just start placing your order as usual. So here, I'm gonna simply choose the restaurant that I like this one. And now here, once you're inside the restaurant, you can simply select your item, and here once you're done selecting the item, you can just tap on the view card button. And after that, on the page, you can just tap on go to checkout to confirm your delivery details and the payment method. So here on the checkout screen, you'll see your delivery address and the option that says leave at door, meet at door, or meet outside under delivery instruction. So here you just have to tap that section and select leave at door, and you can also leave a note for the delivery driver like please leave on the porch or leave near the elevator, because this helps to make sure that the delivery is dropped off exactly where you want. And now here, once you're done with everything, you can just tap on place order. And now here, when the food arrives, you'll get a notification with a photo if available showing where the order was left, and it's contactless, safe, and super convenient. And that's it. That's how you can use leave at door delivery option on Uber Eats. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.